Got Bender here, all assembled. 6 pieces glued together. 2 legs, torso with the arms already attached, 2 hands, and the head piece. And he looks pretty good. And then I made a bunch of mini Benders, and they look pretty good. I got some good cleanup on that one, but they came together really nice. And there were no real errors or issues on Bender. He's not sanded, so you can see some lines and stuff, but he's pretty smooth. Ankermake M5, fast speed, it's 500 millimeters per second. Did these pretty quickly. Not bad.